Log in to 711Proxy website. Click Proxy Setup and API. In the left sidebar, select Residential Proxies. Select API. Add the local address to the whitelist before API access. Click Add now. Confirm adding whitelist. Choose a plan type. Select country, region. Setting the number of proxies to generate. Selecting proxy protocols, formats, and separator. Click to generate. Open link. API obtained successfully. You can start using. Open this browser. Click a browser profile above. Customize a name. In the proxy settings, select the type of proxy you need. Fill in the IP address and port extracted from 711Proxy. Check the network. IP address detection is successful. Save it and you can use it normally. The proxy configuration is now complete. Thanks for watching.